Hindi binabahang townhouse sa Cainta at super affordable. Ito na yun guys, papakita namin sa inyo. Tara! I'm RV and we're here inside Brookside Hills Subdivision, Cainta, Rizal along Ortigas Avenue Extension. Hindi po ito binabaha tong part na to. Kaya yung mga nagsasabi po, malaki po ang Brookside. So, sure po ako kasi taga rito po ako. The house stands on a 80 square meter lot area with a floor area of 130. So we're here in the car garage. Isang car garage lang po yung kasya, pero kasya naman ng van, I think. SUV kasya. Pero ang kagandahan dyan, yung paborito nating mga e-bike, pwedeng-pwede dito. Isa pang main advantage of this location, napakarami pong schools nearby. One of the bigger schools na malalapit dito is yan Santo Domingo, tsaka we also have yung sa may Cainta proper, Cainta Catholic. So, tara, pasok po tayo. Welcome to your new home. So this townhouse is very nice kasi very affordable siya. Aside from that, perfect siya for starting family. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating living area. Pwedeng dito po ang ating TV, doon. Dito pala, my bad. Eto, dito ang ating wall-mounted TV. Then dito ang ating L-type or U-type na couch. O, di ba? Maluwag na to, lalo kung newlyweds kayo or yung isa, dalawa pa lang anak nyo. Sobrang panalo na to. And ang isang pinaka main advantage nito, si seller willing pa na yung down payment natin post-dated 6. Di ba? Nice. So, coming from the living area, ito ang ating dining area. As you can see, ayan, nasa likod natin yung kitchen. So this is our dining area. And then this is our L-type kitchen na meron na rin tayong mga kitchen cabinets. Ayan. Ang color palette natin is more on gray, white, tsaka black. O, diba? It's nice. Tapos, simple lang siya, pero napakarami yung pwedeng kumbaga, madali kasi siyang i-interior design dahil white lang siya. Dito ang ating refrigerator. Yan. So, pwede rin tayo maglagay ng cooktop dito pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Ang ganda naman ng ating service area or service kitchen. O, diba? Ang luwag ng ating service kitchen, service area. For our laundry area, dito yon. Actually, medyo covered na rin to, no? Kasi di pa siya mainit. Dito ang ating washer-dryer. Ito yung pinaka-laundry area nyo. Pwede yung maglagay ng extension dito for your service kitchen or dirty kitchen. Para yung lahat lang na magandang gamit yung nasa loob. Yung mga madudumi, yung magugulo na prep area, ito yon. Coming from the kitchen, ayan, dining, syempre meron tayong powder room dito. So, ibig sabihin, if you have guests, di ba, walang problema kasi they have their own CR here. Usually naman, pag small families, konti lang din magbisita di ba? So, very spacious pa rin tong bahay na to. O, di ba? May decorative lighting ka pa. Ganda ng decorative lighting, very unique. Tapos, on this side pala, overlooking the car garage, meron tayong windows, sliding glass windows. So, pwede rin siya nabubuksan para kung gusto niyo ng natural air that goes inside the house, pwede rin. Now, let's head into the second floor. Welcome to our second floor. Sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. tsaka 2 toilet and bath. So mamaya na tayo dyan sa first toilet and bath. Sa first bedroom muna tayo. Yan. So this is the first bedroom. Size is about 2.5 by 3. More or less mga 7 to 8 square meters. So kasya po yung double bed. Pero pag queen size, medyo masikip na. Meron tayong vanity area here. Kulang na lang vanity mirror. And then you have your built-in closet. Yan. Lahat po ng nakikita natin, magpa-punch list, lahat po ng properties na binibenta namin. Before moving in, nagkakaroon po tayo ng punch listing. Ibig sabihin, tinitingnan kung merong mga damage or may kailangang i-repaint. Ginagawa po ni seller yon before kayo mag-move in. Before heading to the second bedroom, ito po ang ating shared or common toilet and bath. Wow, nice. Ganda rin ng color palette ng tiles. Very cozy. Dito tayo shower. May provision din for water heater. You also have the bidet, the toilet, and then you have the tawag dito, sink and faucet. So, very functional, not too big, pero not too small also. Yun, sakto lang dun sa size ng bahay. Now, let's head into the second bedroom. Etong second bedroom natin, medyo same size naman ng ating first bedroom. Kaya lang, ito yung tinatawag natin na inner room. Wala to kasing windows outside. Kasi dahil townhouse siya, firewall po yung mga pagitan natin. Pero, meron pa rin provision to for split type AC. Yan. So, pwede itong mga kids bedroom, ganun. Alam mo yung lalagyan mo naman ng AC. Yan. Very safe. Katabi pati ito ng master bedroom. Yan. Welcome to our master bedroom. So, pagpasok nyo, there's a pathway here. Ito yung ating parang semi-walk-in closet going to our toilet and bath. Yung closet natin, this side lang. Pero kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo siyang ipa-extend hanggang dito para marami po ang inyong closet. And then this can be your vanity area or can be your closet as well. Pwedeng part closet, part vanity area. Tapos meron tayong sliding wooden door going to our master toilet and bath. Yan. Perfect for small family talaga kasi yung sizes niya, it's not super big pero usually naman mag-asawa lang, isang anak or dalawang anak. So yun, at least ang kagandahan dito, it's not gonna break your bank. You'll have your own house para ka rin naman nagre-renta sa sarili mong bahay. Yan. Coming from that, this is our kumbaga, ito na yung lalagyanan ng bed natin. Master bedroom. Kaya pa rin, queen size bed dito. Queen size bed. Yeah, medyo may lakaran ka pa naman sa gilid. Tapos, meron tayong sliding glass windows here. Yan. Na meron pa rin naman tayong balcony. Although itong part na to, this is sunset. So, tama ba? This is facing east-west. More or less west nga to. Yan. Medyo tanghali ngayon kaya nasa taas yung araw. So, this is our balcony. Extra space for you and your family. Quick recap tayo guys for this house tour. So we're inside Brookside Hills Subdivision in Cainta, Rizal along Ortigas Avenue Extension. Napakalapit po natin sa Pasig. The best part is hindi po ito binabaha tong area na to. So this property stands on a 80 square meter lot area with a floor area of 130. This is perfect for a small starting family. Meron tayong 1-car garage, we have 3 bedrooms, and then we have 2.5 toilet and bath. The asking price for this property is just 7.6 million pesos. Napaka-affordable po nito. Isa na to sa pinaka-affordable na properties na binibenta namin sa ngayon. So, napakaganda po and very affordable. So, 7.6 million, tapos more or less po mga 10% down payment tayo, 700,000. And then, the rest can be bank financed na. If you have further questions, you can reach us on the number below. You can also reach us through our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Very active na po tayo sa TikTok ngayon, pero hindi po yung mga sayo-sayo, ha? So, yan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Malapit na po tayong mag 7,000 subscribers. Marami pong salamat and see you on the next one. God bless. Peace.